today we're going to open Lost Kitties. Kittens! And we're going to open it.
This is what it looks like from the front.
No.
Oh my god! Did I do it wrong?
I told you specifically not to show them.
Specifically!
Until
Remember?
the end. Until the end. Okay.
Okay, specifically.
Well, at least you don't know what mine looks like.
I don't know what yours looks. I don't know what this is either. Specifically.
It literally shows you at right here.
Specifically?
This is mine. We're gonna get a close up on this.
It looks good enough already. Look.
That is our character.
Do you want to show this one?
Look at the picture. Look at.
Oh my god! Here, show this one too.
Oh, no, you show it.
Oh, I show this one? Okay.
And look at Stowe.
What's up, you guys? Back at it again with another big body banger. And today on our YouTube channel, we're finna look at these things. If you can see it, I don't know the camera.
You can't restart it, okay? You can't restart the whole thing, okay? It's already playing.
Okay. And wrong. Restart it.
You cannot restart the whole thing, okay?
Do you want to give its description on what it looks like?
No, you do it, okay?
I show it? Okay. So, if you can see, it looks like this. It's blue, and it has a...
Bring it up closer.
Okay. It has this kind of flower pot on it. It has eyes. It has a flower pot, and it has a yellow sun on sunflower on it.
Let's show them the dough.
Also, inside of this blue thing, we got some
White
stuff.
White dough.
White dough, as if you were gonna bake. So, if you wanted to make cookies, all you have to do is just put this in here and close the bottle, and it should be done in about 25 minutes.
No, it is not cookies. Do not.
Yes, I do. That's all.
No. I'm sorry. Do not do that. Do not do that. Do not listen to what she's doing. Do not bake them. Well, then you might.
It makes it for you. You don't gotta do nothing.
Oh my god.
Yes, you do.
This is this. Do you see?
Yes. Let me feel it. It feels like this. Look, feel it too, you guys.
They can't feel it. Obviously, it's mine. I'll throw it
You
at
guys feel it too. Here. What do you want to do with it? No, you don't eat it. Tap down on the top and used to it. Pray you make it home like I used to. So today, you guys, Sophia wanted to play tag. So tag your.
No, I did not.
Yeah, you did.
Subscribe, or I will. Nothing. I not do anything.
Subscribe, and she'll sit here and just look at the camera.